how to pay off debt fast without losing your mind. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're drowning in debt and feel like you'll never be free, you're not alone. The good news? Paying off debt doesn't have to be stressful or take forever. In this video, I'll show you how to pay off debt fast without losing your mind. I'll cover the best strategies to get rid of debt quickly, how to stay motivated and avoid burnout, the biggest mistakes to avoid. If that sounds good, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more financial tips. Let's jump in. Step 1. Face the reality of your debt. First things first, let's face the numbers. I know, it's scary. But if you don't know exactly how much you owe, you can't make a plan to get out. Write down all your debts. Include credit card balances, student loans, car loans, personal loans, any other money you owe. Organize them by total amount owed, interest rates, minimum monthly payments. Pro tip, use apps like Mint or YNAB to track everything in one place. Facing the reality of your debt is tough, but it's the first step toward freedom. Step 2. Choose your debt payoff strategy. Now that you know what you're dealing with, let's pick a strategy. There are two main methods to crush debt. 1. The debt snowball method. Best for motivation. List debts from smallest to largest. Ignore interest rates. Pay the minimum on all except the smallest debt. Put everything extra toward that one. Once it's paid off, roll that payment into the next smallest debt. Repeat until all debt is gone. Why it works? You get quick wins, which keeps you motivated. 2. The debt avalanche method. Best for saving money. List debts by highest interest rate first. Pay the minimum on all, but attack the highest interest debt with extra money. Once it's gone, move to the next highest interest debt. Why it works? You save the most money on interest over time. Which one is better? It depends on you. Snowball for motivation, avalanche for saving money. Comment below which strategy you prefer. Step 3. Cut unnecessary expenses. You can't pay off debt fast if you're still overspending. Let's trim the fat. Cut these expenses. Eating out too often. Subscriptions you barely use. Expensive coffee runs, impulse online shopping. Better alternatives, meal prep at home. Share streaming services with family. Use a budgeting app. Wait 24 hours before buying anything unnecessary. Remember, every extra dollar you save goes toward your debt. Step 4. Increase your income. Cutting expenses helps, but making more money is even better. Here are some ways to bring in extra cash. Side hustles. Freelance on Fiverr or Upwork. Drive for Uber Lyft. Sell things on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Start a blog or YouTube channel. Ask for a raise. If you have a job, research your industry salary, track your achievements, and ask for a raise. Use your skills. Got a talent? Monetize it. Whether it's tutoring, graphic design, or photography, turn your skills into extra cash. Step 5. Stop using credit cards. Credit cards can be useful, but if you're in debt, they're your worst enemy. Stop using them until you're debt-free. Freeze them, literally. Put them in water and freeze them. Remove them from your phone. No more Apple Pay temptations. Switch to cash or debit. It forces you to only spend what you have. Using cash makes spending feel real, which helps you control it better. Step 6. Create a budget you can stick to. A budget is your roadmap to financial freedom. Here's how to make one that actually works. 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, rent, bills, groceries. 30% for wants, entertainment, eating out. 20% for savings and debt payments. If you're in debt, flip it. Spend less on wants and put more toward debt. Use budgeting apps like EveryDollar or YNAB to track spending. Step 7. Stay motivated and avoid burnout. Paying off debt is a marathon, not a sprint. Staying motivated is key. Track progress. Create a debt payoff chart. Celebrate milestones, every $1,000 paid off. Surround yourself with positive influences. Follow debt-free communities online. Watch motivational debt-free stories. Reward yourself responsibly. After paying off a debt, treat yourself, but within reason. Big tip: visualize your debt-free life. Picture the freedom, the stress-free nights, the extra money in your pocket. And there you have it, the fastest way to pay off debt without losing your mind. Recap: face your debt, pick a payoff strategy, cut unnecessary spending, increase income, stop using credit cards, create a budget, stay motivated. Your action step: pick one tip from today and start using it now. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. And let me know in the comments, what's your #1 debt payoff goal this year? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.